folks. Sorry. Anyway, folks, welcome back to Fishing with Sticks. Make sure you like and subscribe, share the channel if you don't mind. We're back down here at the pond early morning, lake, early morning, just after daylight. Going to throw this Ned rig again, but we're trying the Z-Man. It's a PB&J color, but we're going to get here and see if we can't get something to bite. Make sure you stick with us. Always like and subscribe. There's one. He ain't no big and it don't feel like, but we'll take him. Bass is a bass. Getting up out of this grass here. Well, I ain't gonna say he's little. Well, he hit that Z-Man, didn't he? Pretty good looking bass. Healthy little fish. We'll take a bunch just like you, buddy. All day long, we don't care. Let's get you back in the water. Nice fish. Away you go. Little Z-Man Ned rig worm. I'm just fishing it on a Texas rig because I got so much grass here that I honestly can't throw a Ned rig because the weighted head keeps getting hung in the grass, and I'm catching more grass than anything. Toward throwing these little bullet weights, they actually, as you can see, they'll cut through the grass really well. Well, let's get back out there and see if he's got any friends. There's another one, people. You don't feel like much, but he's another fish. Going right up in that grass on me is what he's doing. Get my pal there, buddy. Nah, he's not bad. He's not bad at all. He's actually bigger than the last one by quite a bit. That's a good fish right there, buddy. You're gonna make me get my pliers out already. There we go. Yeah, buddy, that's a good bass right there. I'll take a bunch of those. Good looking fish. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. And off he goes. Well, maybe this PB&J color gonna be a little better than I was giving it credit for. I wasn't too awful big on it at first, just to be honest. Folks, I gotta wipe my hands off here. Yeah, there was a little slimier than what the past ones have been. These fish tend to hit a lot more once the sun comes out down here. So maybe we're here finally about the time they're really going to start like the bottom pick up on us, hopefully. See, fishing here is kind of hard without a boat. Well, you know, I got a boat. I just wasn't able to bring it this morning, but we got a nice flat right here. That's why we have all this grass growing. Them fish come up in here in the mornings. This is one of the only areas around here in this lake, like except for another area in the far, far back, that you can only get to by boat. So we are stuck with fishing here, which is fine and dandy. I just wish it was a larger area, because I mean we've been caught 2 decent sized bass in an area, you know, 35 foot maybe, give or take. All right, folks. I guess we're gonna call it a day right there. We did we did pretty good. I mean, the wind's up now. I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day. But we caught 2 fish. I'll take 2 fish any day. Like I said, not a bad day. They're still hitting the Ned rigs. The weather was moving in on us. I'm assuming that's part of the problem with the bite. But anyway, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And you ain't fishing if you ain't fishing with sticks. See you later.